Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. In today's vid, we're going to do a follow-up to a tutorial which I showed you how we can use the bar replay button, this button right here, on TradingView to back trade, not back test, but back trade, and practice price action with immediate feedback. It's a really good tool for that. But what I'm also going to show you how we can use it for applying the daily filter. So those of you that are part of my VIP Discord will know that I apply a daily filter every day. I look at 28 currency pairs and then I look at the day charts. And the day charts tell me if I have a trade. And then normally I end up with 1, 2, 3, or 4 trades to take. And we're going to use the bar replay button again for this, but this time we're just going to focus on the day chart. All right, so again, let me explain by giving you practical examples, guys. All right, but this is a really good way to practice the daily filter. So we're going to do the same, guys. We're going to randomly pick a currency pair. All right, so I am going to close my eyes. This is where I pick something like platinum. No, I'm only joking. Right here. Euro, Aussie, dollar. Okay. And this is the day chart, which is good, which is what we want. I'm going to really scroll out like this. I'm going to use the bar replay button. And then I'm just going to pick a day. Right. Okay. This is where we're at. So we are at Friday, the 26th of August, 22. I have no idea what happened on that day. And then we're just going to apply the daily filter. So this is basically what I do every day in the morning to determine whether I have a trade for that pair or not. Okay, so I'll come in, I'll bring up the Euro Aussie dollar chart, and I will look at the day chart. Okay, and I will say to myself, right, we're in a downtrend, so we're looking for sells. However, we've just had a massive bullish candle. Okay, so no trade. Then I'll move on to the next currency pair. But obviously, with this bar replay button, we can practice. So I'm going to slow this down a little bit now. So let's just play the next candle along. Do we have a trade? Probably not. We are in a downtrend and it has come up and hit the moving average 20. And we have, a bit of a wick. But it's not a strong enough reaction. But it's not no trade. It's not a strong enough reaction. Perhaps if I got a breakdown on the lower time frames, I would take this. But just from a daily perspective, it's a doji, a lot of indecision. Okay, good. Glad we stayed out. Right, in a downtrend. Still in a downtrend, big bullish candle, no trade. Play it along. Okay, downtrend, big bullish candle. We're at this level of resistance now. If it breaks this level, I am interested. All right, so let's play it along. Okay, so that level is holding. It is a downtrend, but these two candles combined is not bearish enough. If we look at this candle, very bullish. If we look at this candle, bearish-ish. Not super bearish. No trade for me. Okay, so that's more bearish. Why is this candle more bearish? There's no bottom wick. And we've got a nice big top wick. Sellers are taking control of this market at this level of resistance. I'm going to say we have a trade. All right. I'm not going to look at lower time frames. This is just a daily filter. Perhaps we can take price down to this moving average 20, maybe this 400-500 level. This would be levels that I'll be looking at, but we can sell this now. So this is my first trade that I'd be happy to take. So let's see how the daily plays out. Okay. I mean, it did go down during the day. If I was in a trade, I'd probably stick with it. So let's carry on. I'm still selling. Now we're not. Okay, now we're no longer interested, guys. All right. Maybe you got stopped out. Maybe you was already out of the trade. We don't know what went on, but we're just using this as a daily filter idea. All right. But let's carry on. So yeah, did that trade work out? Probably not. Yeah. And now we're here with this green candle. You know, are we starting to see a build up of an uptrend? I think we will be if we break this level. And then I will be interested in buys. Okay, so let's carry on. Okay. So yeah, I mean, we've had a daily break, and that is an uptrend. Yeah, we're now getting higher highs, higher lows, but I could draw a grey zone through here. Yeah, there's lots of support and resistance here, right? So for me, still no trade. Okay, let's see how it carries on. Yeah, see how it's held on to that grey zone. Still no trade because we're in an uptrend. I want to buy, but I don't want to buy at resistance, and I especially don't want to buy a candle that looks like that. Okay, let's play it along. And remember, this is just to practice your daily filter. In an uptrend, okay, very bearish candle, no trade. Yeah. Okay, another bearish candle. And guys, this is a good, this explains why I look at 28 currency pairs. You know, I've potentially had one trade here, and we've been doing it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 days, and I had potentially one trade here that looks like it may not have worked out. All right, so, you know, that's why I look at 28 currency pairs. This candle in an uptrend, very bearish, no trade. Okay, a bullish candle back with trend, but there's just no room to move into. No trade. Uptrend, hitting this resistance, bearish reaction, no trade. Okay, trade. I'm going to say this is a trade. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. Yeah, stuttered at this level. Yeah, but we've clearly had a breakthrough with this trade here. Okay, so again, we're just applying this as a daily filter. Okay, so I would buy this. Yeah, whether we end up, you know, because of our H4 and H1 timeframes, whether we buy here, here, up here, we don't know, but the direction is to buy. So let's just see if the direction is good. And again, I'd have a target of this 1,500 psychological level. All right, let's play it along. Okay, so we've had a bearish day, but that wouldn't worry me. Yeah, that's just a doji, buyers are still in control. So if I'm in this buy trade, I'm still fine with that. No problem. It's just stuttering. Yeah, if we get another day of this, I might exit, but let's see. Okay, let's play it along. Okay, so I still like this trade for buys now. Yeah, so it's stuttered. Price didn't know what to do with itself. it retraced. You know, depending on where we entered on our original buy here, maybe we entered here, here. You know, maybe our stops below here, yeah, would make sense. I still like this for buys. Yeah, I like this wick rejection. I would still be looking for buys here. Let's play it along. Okay, this would... Now it gets to the point is you're wrong if it breaks this level. All right? Probably wouldn't look for buys this day, this particular day. Let's play it along. Again, you know, sellers are starting to enter the market. We're getting, look at the top wicks. If I was in this buy in here somewhere, my stop's here, just for argument's sake, I would start to worry about this trade. Okay, you could even, you know, there'll probably be an opportunity to get out at break even in here or something. Okay, because it's looking quite bearish. Okay, now we've had a massive change to the upside. Okay, and we're still with this uptrend. Yeah, nothing's changed. And I really like this because it's bounced off the moving average 20, even tested these lows. All right, and now if we play this one along, I would buy that still. My target would still be up to 1,500. Yep, still buy it. Okay, and there you go. It would eventually get there after a lot of messing around. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this, guys. And, you know, it's really good feedback for you and how you're reading the daily picture, which is what guides us, guys. That daily picture guides us, you know, and, you know, we entered on this candle, maybe we got stopped out, maybe we, you know, there's lots of permutations on the lower time frames, on the H4 and H1. Maybe we made money. Yeah, maybe we made money when it popped back up here, you know, but we're not worried about this for this exercise. We're just trying to understand the direction of the day chart. Okay, and again, use this replay button to apply the daily filter. All right, and in this time span, we had one trade here that was unsuccessful. We had a trade here that may or may not have been successful, because you have to imagine this candle got back up to these highs. Yeah, maybe you're entered in here. Okay, so that may or may not have been successful. And then the other trade we had was this one, and then this was very successful. Yeah, there was no real doubt about that one. All right, so there you go, guys. You can also use this tool to help you with the daily filter, understand the story of the day chart, and really read those individual candles, guys. All right, and again, if this tutorial helped, please subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. See you next time.